second wave of COVID-19 has left many gasping for breath as hospitals started running out of oxygen in many parts of India. The Indian Railways has stepped up and has been transporting this life-saving gas across the country over the last 1 week. And in the latest, the Oxygen Express reached Madhya Pradesh's Bhopal from Bokaro in Jharkhand on Wednesday. The train carrying 6 oxygen tankers with 64 tons of medical oxygen arrived at Mandideep railway station in Bhopal. According to the West Wing of Indian Railways, 2 out of 6 tankers were unloaded at Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Out of 6 tankers, 3 will be unloaded at Sagar, 2 at Bhopal, and the remaining 1 will be sent to Jabalpur. The first Oxygen Express left from Bokaro in Jharkhand to Madhya Pradesh on April 27th. According to Ministry of Railways, these oxygen trains are being run to transport liquid medical oxygen and cylinders across the country. Indian Railways took to Twitter and said that these special trains would increase the availability of oxygen in Madhya Pradesh. The Oxygen Express run by Indian Railways has reached Mandideep, Bhopal, supplying oxygen to Jabalpur and Sagar in Madhya Pradesh. This train will increase the availability of oxygen in Madhya Pradesh, which will help in the survival of patients there. Madhya Pradesh government announced that special arrangements have been made at Jabalpur and Mandideep to unload the tankers. Accordingly, Bhopal DRM Uday Burwankar had created a green corridor for the Oxygen Express to travel through Kochila and Jabalpur. Bhopal's Divisional Railway Manager Uday Burwankar is monitoring the train's movement for its smooth journey to provide relief to people in need of oxygen in hospitals as soon as possible. The 6 tankers will be unloading at different stations in Madhya Pradesh. After providing oxygen at the required places, they will be taken back to Bokaro to bring oxygen again. At the same time, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister has announced to set up oxygen plants across all the divisional headquarters of the state. A total of 58 oxygen plants are being set up across the state. The hospital should report a lack of oxygen 6 hours in advance so that oxygen can be arranged on time. The decision comes after the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister chaired a review meeting with top officials on the prevailing COVID-19 cases in the state. So far, the Oxygen Express has delivered nearly 450 tons of oxygen to various states including Maharashtra and Delhi.